And what year is this one?
It's 1937. They were only built for 1 year. Bulgaria Pascal recognition of King George's Silver Jubilee, and it is the predecessor of the Gold Star. BSA, for any rider who did an average lap of more than 100 miles an hour around the Brooklyn circuit, Brooklyn's awarded them a Gold Star. And BSA cottoned onto this, pulled a retired TT rider, Will Handley, got him to take part in a couple of races on one of these. He was awarded the Gold Star. BSA made a big publicity thing about it, and then that bike was announced as a Gold Star.
Fantastic, yeah, BSA, fantastic history behind them. Not everybody realises that BSA stood for Birmingham Small Arms, and they made, yes, munitions, they made all sorts of things. BSA was a huge corporation. It owned Daimler, which owned Manchester. They did produce cars of their own as well, on a few occasions. Never really took off with any great numbers, but lots of other things they owned, lots of coachwork firms. It's a massive, massive corporation. Everyone thinks of them as bikes or motorcycles, but that was only part of it, wasn't it?
Indeed, BSA were at one time Britain's largest employer. 48,000 employees, over 50, 60 factories.
And everybody doing things manually.
Exactly. Well, yes, exactly.
To a very extent.
Yeah.
And proper skills and engineering skills to do it all. Lovely, lovely presented bike. Beautiful. Thank you very much for bringing it along. 1937. He's nearly there.
The Tiger 100, so this is the smaller version of the two.
Again, very popular British bikes. Triumph were the backbone of the British industry, really, along with BSA, weren't they?
They were, yeah. Triumph and BSA, between them, produced many motorcycles. Quite a few here today, especially with the BSAs as well. So, yeah, very nice.
Well, it looks very nicely presented. It's lovely you brought it along. Oh, they always do that, don't they? Especially when everyone's watching. Great, super little bike, all in the correct colours as well. Right, and another bit.
All the details are on the back of the bike if you want to read it.
Right, quite a performance machine, and pretty quick as well, isn't it, right?
Yeah, very quick. Got close ratio gearbox, twin Amels, carburetors. Yeah, goes like a rocket.
Which is what BSA were known for.
Too fast for old men.
I think this is a fairly recent acquisition, isn't it?
But yeah, got it together now.
One that you've always wanted.
Yeah, but I don't know how long I'll keep it.
It's wonderful. It's 65 BSA A65 Lightning Clubman, twin monoblock carbs, and the sports camshaft as well. Top speed about 120.
Good, Bob.
Thank you, Ray. Lovely looking bike. Something rather different. Now a little Excelsior console, 1958. 98cc, little Villiers two-stroke in it. Have you done much to this one?
Yeah, just stripped the engine and did the crankcase oil seal, a few bits and pieces, usual stuff, you know. Yeah.
All the usual to get them, yes. Well, it sounds pretty fair, and still in its working clothes.
Sorry?
Still in its working clothes.
Oh yeah, it's the only way to be, isn't it?
Yeah, well, one way or the other, definitely.
I definitely won't be, polishing it up too much.
He's fine like he is.
Certainly.
Very, very usable little bike, and again, another little worker back bike, wasn't it?
That's right, exactly, yeah. Brilliant.
People went to work on them, people relied on them. Only a 2-speed gearbox in it, first registered August 58, and the current owner, you acquired it quite recently.
Yes, yeah, back in May.
Wonderful, great, lovely to see it here today.
Have a little look at the classic bikes. The old milk float, the dot. The Excelsior consort. Little selection of Yamaha 50s.
Yeah, and links. Oh, I loved it. I really loved it.
A couple of BSAs.
Just a small bike, yeah, enough, yeah.
This is a Suzuki trike. Awesome paintwork. Come on. Here we have the old hand-cranked bicycle. A 1948 Harding trike. And the old trophy. Times like this you need Henry Cole with you, so he can tell you exactly what they are, exactly when they were made, and probably how many. Here we have a load of your stationary engines. This is what got the British industry up and running. These different ones to do different jobs. Nowadays they just power up windmills like this. Here you have your butter churner. So that is basically it, guys. Just like to say thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe for more videos of car shows, fates, all sorts. I'll bring you videos fit for everyone. So please like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video.